demonstration for you this morning. I'm going to show how we install and get a wood pad steering wheel ready for installation. You're going to buy the steering wheel. It'll come this way in the box, and you also need to buy a separate hub kit. So we're going to go through this and do a quick demonstration. Follow the instructions that are included in both, and that will give you everything you need to know to install it. We'll get all our parts laid out on the table. Hub kit comes with 3 screws, 3 locking nuts. I'm going to try not to go too quickly, but I'm going to show you just a quick demonstration. This is the main part of the hub kit. The steering wheel is going to come with a cup, the horn button separate. Lay those out there. This is the steering wheel. Also comes with extra wires in case you need them to attach to the horn button. We're not going to attach those in this demonstration. First step is to remove the wood pad from the steering wheel. Do not shove it through as you'll damage the pad. So take a Phillips screwdriver, remove. The pad removed. Place that aside so it doesn't get scratched. The hub's going to go on the back of the steering wheel. Use the screws that came with the kit. According to whatever your factory steering wheel has, there's holes in the kit. Be sure you read the instructions that go to your particular truck. Just make sure it's lined up on your steering wheel correctly. That's on the back side of the steering wheel. This cup is going to go on the front of the steering wheel. Locked down with the nuts that were included in the kit. Started. These are 10mm nuts. You can get the right size. Cups installed, hub kit's installed on the back. Now we're ready to put the pad back on the front. Next you install it on the steering column. Run the wires you need through to attach for the horn button. It's got the 2 clips on the back to attach that. These legs can be twisted left to right and bent a little bit slightly in and out to get a snug fit on the center of the steering wheel. Once the wires are applied through, gently press it in and you're ready to go with your brand new steering wheel. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your steering wheel.